Hi and welcome to Being Amrita's Chef and Beyond. Well, I'm back with playdate recipes for our little ones. I know how tough it gets when more than 2 children land up in your house and they ask for food. Well, we not only give them good food, we give them healthy food as well. So let's begin with today's recipe, which is arancini balls. Alright, so let's begin. Trust me, it is a very easy recipe. Well, when you hear arancini balls, you think, oh my God, this is a complicated Italian dish. Well, it is an Italian dish, but it's not complicated if it's made in my kitchen. We are going to use this leftover, healthy, full of fiber brown rice for this recipe. So this is properly mashed. Now I'm going to add some boiled and mashed corn to this. Children love corn, and this is a great way of adding it to their favorite recipe. Okay, so I'm going to add some corn to this. Now add a little bit of ketchup just for an exciting flavor, some salt and some mixed herbs. Mix this well. Okay, now I'm going to take a little bit of mixture and I'm going to make a small dent in it and hide a piece of cheese, a nice cube of cheese inside it, and it's going to give a great burst of flavor when the children will bite into these hot arancini balls and turn them into a nice ball. You can even wet your hands to make it easier for you to handle these arancini balls, and we're going to start making them like this. In the same way, we will make a lot of them. All right, and here you go. All right, so now in this plate, I'm going to add 2 magic ingredients. One is almond flour and the other is Parmesan cheese. All right, so now what I'm going to do is, first I'm going to add a little bit of salt to my almond flour and Parmesan mixture. Parmesan already has some salt in it, so don't overdo it. This is the Parmesan powder that I have used, and I'm just going to mix the egg with the salt, and with my hands I'm going to mix the seasoning in the dry mixture. Now what am I going to do? I'm going to pick up one of the arancini balls. I'm going to coat it with the egg, and then I'm going to add it to my dry powder to coat this well. This recipe is really a fun recipe, and it's so gooey and it has all the elements. We've put a little bit of ketchup in it, light seasoning, it's super healthy, and when you bite into it, you're going to get that burst of cheese which I had told you. Alright, so now this is done. Now ideally these should be put away in the refrigerator for at least 10 to 15 minutes or a little longer, so that it holds its shape well. When you're shallow frying them, it'll become nice and hard. Right now I'm just showing you the way it is. Now I'm going to put the gas on and I'm going to add some oil to this pan. Get hold of a spatula, and the moment the oil is hot, I'm going to start shallow frying these cute little arancini balls. Already started getting a nice color, gorgeous arancini balls. Now I'm just going to take them out. Alright, so this is done. Now I am going to take it out in the final plate of presentation. It's a little hot, so carefully, but I don't want to use a tongue or something to pick it up because they are delicate, and so I don't want them to break. And here you go, the super yummy arancini balls are ready. And did I tell you, they are super healthy too. Alright, if you like this recipe, do try it at home and do subscribe to Being Amrita's Chef and Beyond for more such exciting playdate recipes. I'll see you soon.